Namaste everybody, this is Praveen Kalla. This video is regarding the subject CAEG. CAEG stands for Computer Aided Engineering Graphics. This is also called as Computer Aided Engineering Drawing or Computer Aided Engineering Drafting. All are same. Now what exactly is this subject? Let's see step by step. G. Graphics or a drawing. A picture is worth 1,000 words, a very famous saying which speaks about the importance of graphics, the importance of drawing. So drawing is also a format of communication. Just like language or mathematical expressions, drawing is also a format of communication. And in this format of communication, the reach will be more. More people can understand regarding what you want to say. So that is about the graphics drawing. It's a pictorial representation of an object, the classical definition. Then EG, engineering graphics or engineering drawing, is nothing but a technical pictorial representation of an object. So in engineering drawing, we are not going to draw abstract arts. So what we are going to draw, what we are going to represent is the drawing of an object. In that particular drawing, along with the look and feel, even the technical parameters of the object are very, very important. Technical parameters like geometrical dimensions, tolerances, material, texture, surface finish. Now all these are very, very important. But before doing this, certain prerequisites are required. What are they? So before directly moving into the drawing, first of all, the engineering student or an engineer should know about the science behind the object which he was drawing. And the student should know about the geometry of the object. The student should know about the standard and conventions that are generally used in engineering drawing. Why? Because these drawings will be given to some other engineer. That engineer has to understand what this person wants to say. So there should be some standardization. There are standards. Students has to follow these standards. And student should know about different representation techniques, especially projections, types of projections. Now after learning all this, finally the student will learn about the drawing procedures. After learning about the science behind the object, the geometry, standards and conventions, and different representation techniques, finally how to draw the procedure. The student will learn the procedure, and after learning the procedure, then he will draw the object. So there is a very famous textbook. So many textbooks are there regarding engineering drawing. Andy Bhatt is a very famous textbook, courtesy the publishers and the authors. So it's a very famous textbook which explains about all these things and finally how to draw. It's a wonderful textbook. Okay. After having knowledge on all the prerequisites, then the student will start the drawing. There are so many methods. First one is drawing with the free hand. Yes, seriously. If an engineering student or an engineer, if he is really confident, he can draw it with free hand. So there are so many international competitions for this freehand drawing. But this percentage is very, very small. It's something around 1%. 99% of students, engineering students or engineers, prefers the second method. In the second method, if a student wants to draw manually, then he will draw with the help of instruments. So this is a instrument assisted manual drawing. So in this what happens is, definitely this will be better than the freehand drawing. Different instruments like compass, set squares, pencils, different grade pencils, and one famous instrument for engineering students, the mini drafter. By using all these instruments, student will enhance his drawing capabilities, enhance his drawings. So more than freehand. So if you use instruments, definitely the drawing will be better. The drawing will be a better one. So above these two, there is one more format where student can take the assistance of a computer. This is the CA. CA added to engineering graphics, computer assisted engineering graphics. Now you can see in the picture. So with the help of a computer, even it will be more precise. Wonderful effects can be created, which will make the object looks like a real object. Realistic effects can be created. So this is the advantage if you use a computer, if you use a computer tool. So all the advantages, whatever we speak about computers or computerization, applies here. Reusability, time saving, manpower saving. So all this, realistic effects, ease of doing, all the advantages what we generally speak about computers applies here. So this is the basic difference between manual freehand drawing, manual instrument based drawing, and computer assisted drawing, especially engineering drawing. Same figure, same object in all three formats, all three styles of drawing. There are so many packages available, so many tools available for computer assisted engineering graphics. So many, thousands of tools are available. One famous tool is AutoCAD. So this is an AutoCAD interface. AutoCAD is purely to replace our instruments. So whatever instruments we used in manual drawing can be eliminated simply with this AutoCAD interface and computer hardware, the required hardware. So we can do these drawings. There is a myth in students. The general myth is students who generally learn AutoCAD or who are learning the AutoCAD, they feel AutoCAD will explain about all these things. AutoCAD will give insights regarding the science behind the object, the geometry of an object. AutoCAD doesn't directly provide you any of these insights. Still, it is the responsibility of the student to know about those concepts, the geometry of an object, the science behind the object, the standards, different representation techniques. So after knowing about them, then instead of using manual instruments, we can use AutoCAD to do our work in a more smarter way. That is the advantage of an AutoCAD. With an example of a circle, let me explain what AutoCAD will provide. Again, I am giving you the disclaimer. AutoCAD might not provide you directly all the prerequisites, but there are so many commands that are available in the AutoCAD. If it is possible for you to explore these commands, so you can make your work more easier, even in a lesser time, even in a smarter way, you can go for your drawing. For example, now a circle is visible on your screen. If you want to draw a circle using manual instruments, generally we'll go with a compass. So the mechanism inside a compass is center point and radius. So if the question has been given with the center point and radius, directly by using the compass you can draw the circle. But if the question is draw a circle by mentioning 2 points which are lying on the circle, then directly you can't go for a drawing of a circle by using the compass. 2 points on the circle have been given. No, that should be derived. That should be derived into a format where you will get the radius. So once you have the radius, with the help of a compass, you can draw it. So this will take a little bit of time where you have to use your mathematical skills. Whereas in AutoCAD, to draw a circle, different varieties are available. You can draw a circle with the help of center and radius. You can draw a circle with the help of center and diameter. And you can draw a circle if 2 points on the circle are also given. If 2 points on the circle are given, then with that particular command, simply selecting that command, you can draw the circle. Of course, the back-end work, the algorithm which is running behind will do the same process, but directly now you can do the process. Directly you can call the command and you can execute it. Instead of putting your time on finding out the solutions, directly you can draw the circle with the given 2 points. This is the advantage. The current version of AutoCAD is 23.1, which is having so many facilities, so many functions are there, so many commands are there. So by exploring those commands, by using those commands, so whatever work you want to do, whatever drawing you want to do, can be done in a very, very easier way. Thank you.